Hello students, let's start geometric progression. Geometric progression, simply it is known as GP, geometric progression. Definition of geometric progression. Before that, I will give some examples. Examples for geometric progression. 2, 4, 8 and so on. Clearly it is a geometric progression. One more example. 3, 9, 27 and so on is also a geometric progression. Next, 3 power 10, 3 power 11, 3 power 12 and so on. Last term is 3 power 100. It is also a geometric progression. This is a geometric progression. One more example. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on is a geometric progression. Next, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 8 and so on. It is also a geometric progression. Now let us know what is definition of geometric progression or geometric sequence. What is definition of geometric progression? 2, 4, 8 and so on is a geometric progression. And similarly 3, 9, 27 and so on is a geometric progression. 3 power 10, 3 power 11, 3 power 12 and so on. Last term 3 power 100 is a geometric progression. Similarly 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on is a geometric progression. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on is a geometric progression. Then what is its definition? The ratio between term and its previous term is constant. Ratio between term and its previous term is constant. 4 divided by 2 value is same as 8 divided by 4 is same as 16 divided by 8 is same as and so on. The ratio between term and its previous term is constant, means it gives same value. Ratio constant. Term divided by its previous term. Term divided by its previous term. Term divided by its previous term. The ratio between term and its previous term is always constant. Such sequence is known as geometric sequence. In the second example, 9 divided by 3 is same as 27 divided by 3 is same as 81 divided by 27 is same as and so on. Ratio constant. Definition of geometric progression is geometric progression is a sequence. Geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio between term and its previous term is always constant. Once again, geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio between term and its previous term is always constant, and this constant is known as common ratio. And this constant is known as common ratio and is denoted with small r. Common ratio of the GP is denoted with small r. Common ratio small r is equal to. Common ratio of the GP is denoted with small r. What is common ratio? Fixed constant. The ratio between term and its previous term is always constant, and this constant is known as common ratio. In all the cases, same ratio. Ratio is same. Next, the difference, The ratio between term and its previous term is always constant, and that constant is known as common ratio of the GP. Common ratio smaller formula for finding common ratio. What is the formula? Definition itself suggests the ratio between term and its previous term. Common ratio R is equal to formula T2 divided by T1 or T3 divided by T2 or T4 divided by T3 and so on is equal to, in generally, Tn divided by Tn minus 1, nth term divided by its previous term. In general formula, R is equal to Tn divided by Tn minus 1. It is common ratio of the GP, smaller common ratio. Common ratio small r. For finding common ratio, this is the formula. Now look at the common ratio. Tell me whether common ratio is positive or negative or 0. Ratio should not be 0. About common ratio cannot be 0. Common ratio cannot be 0, but it may be positive or negative, that is depends on terms present in the given GP. Common ratio cannot be 0, but it may be positive or negative. Common ratio can be positive or negative. Common ratio may be positive or negative, that is depends on terms in the sequence or terms in the GP. For example, if you take alternating positive negative terms, then ratio may be negative or positive. Sometimes it is negative, sometimes it is positive. That is depends on different numbers in the GP. But common ratio cannot be 0. It should not be 0. But common ratio may be positive or negative. Common ratio can be positive or negative, but it is not equal to 0. Common ratio of any GP should not be 0. This is about common ratio. These are examples for geometric progression. Geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio between term and its previous term is always constant, and this constant is known as common ratio and is denoted with small r. Next, standard form of the GP, or simply it is standard GP. Standard GP or it is also known as standard form of the GP. What is standard form of the GP? A into R, A into R square, A into R cube, and so on, A into R power n minus 1. This is known as standard form of the GP, where A is first term and R is common ratio. Where R is common ratio. And what is A? A is first term of the GP. R is common ratio, A is first term of the GP. If A is first term and R is common ratio, then standard form is A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. a r power n minus 1. After this, general term or last term or nth term of the GP. General term, or it is also known as nth term. General term or last term. Last term or general term or nth term of GP. Nth term or last term or general term of the GP. Let's find general term of the GP. General term or nth term of the GP. What is nth term of the GP? What is T1? T1 means first term. What is from the standard form of the GP? What is first term? A. Just rearrangement. I will write A as A into R power 1 minus 1. Just for our convenience, I will write A as A into R power 1 minus 1. Then look at second term. Second term. What is second term of the GP? It is A into R. That is equal to A into R power 2 minus 1. Just rewrite it. A into R can be written as A into R power 2 minus 1. Both are 1 and the same. And third term T3 is A into R square. Just rewrite it. A into R power 3 minus 1. First term R power 1 minus 1. Second term R power 2 minus 1. Third term R power 3 minus 1. Now tell me what is Tn? We can generalize from this contradiction. What is general? Is equal to A into R power n minus 1. First term is R power 1 minus 1, R power 2 minus 1, R power 3 minus 1. Then it means nth term is A into R power n minus 1. Nth term or general term. It is also denoted with small l. Small l is last term or general term. Or it is also denoted with Tn, or it is also denoted with An is equal to A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1 where A is first term and R is common ratio. This is formula for finding nth term of the GP. Nth term or last term. Next, we need to find nth term from the end. It is nth term from the beginning, means from the left side. This is nth term of the GP from the beginning. We need to find nth term from the end. Next, nth term from the end. This is nth term. This is nth term from the beginning. We need to find nth term from the end. Suppose to find nth term from the end means 12th term from the end of the GP, 8th term from the end. We can find 8th term from the left side as well as from the right side. From the left side means from the beginning. From the end means from right side. What is the standard form of GP? Like AR, A into R square, A into R cube, and so on. Instead of writing A into R power n minus 1, I will write last term as L, because L is same as A into R power n minus 1. Last term is L. Then what is its previous term? L by R. Last term is L, then its previous term is L by R. What is its previous term? L divided by R square. Just rewrite it. Then L by R, L by R square, L by R cube, and so on. If you rewrite it, then last term is A. Now, nth term from the end is equal to Tn is equal to, in this case, L into, in this case what is common ratio? Term divided by its previous term gives last term or nth term. Sorry, term divided by its previous term gives common ratio. In this case what is common ratio? L divided by R divided by L, it gives 1 divided by R. Instead of R, 1 divided by R whole thing power n minus 1. Tn is equal to L divided by R power n minus 1. This is nth term from the end. Nth term of the GP from the end is L divided by R power n minus 1, where R is common ratio, L is last term. Nth term from the end is equal to L divided by R power n minus 1. This is nth term of the GP from the end. This is nth term of the GP from the beginning. This is from the beginning, this is from the end. Next, sum to n terms of the GP. Sum to n terms of the GP. Sum of first n terms of the GP. Again, notation is Sn. Already you know what is Sn. Sn means sum of first n terms. Sum to n terms of the GP. I will write sum to n terms formula directly. Sn is equal to Na. This is when R value, common ratio is equal to 1. N into A gives sum of first n terms of the GP when R is equal to 1. This is the formula. Next, Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. Greater than means more than. Sum to n terms of the GP Sn is equal to A in bracket 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R if R is less than 1. Proof of these formulas is very simple. Just go through the textbook. Proof of these formulas is very simple. Just go through the textbook. Sum of first n terms of the GP is equal to n into A, where A is first term of the GP, n is number of terms, and common ratio is 1. If common ratio of the GP is 1, then SN formula is n into A. If common ratio of the GP is more than 1, then A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Sum to n terms of the GP is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R when R is less than 1. When n value is infinity. When n is infinity. Infinity means n value is n equal to infinity, means very large number. Then what is S of infinity? Sum of infinite terms of the GP. Sum of infinite terms of the GP, that is A divided by 1 minus R, and R value is less than 1. Modulus of less than 1. Modulus of R value less than 1 means R value minus 1 to plus 1. Then only S of infinity is possible. R value lies between 1 to minus 1 to plus 1. Sum of infinite terms of the GP. S of infinity formula. Sn formula when R is less than 1. Sum to n terms when R is more than 1. Sum to n terms when R is equal to 1. These are the formulas to find sum of n terms of GP. Proof of these formulas is very simple. Just go through the textbook. You can understand. Sum of n terms of the GP. Sum of infinite terms of the GP. Sum of infinite terms of the GP is A divided by 1 minus R, where R is common ratio, small a is first term, R is equal to common ratio, A equal to first term. Next, properties of geometric progression. Properties of GP. If A1, A2, or else you can take T1, T2, T3 and so on. If A1, A2, A3 and so on are in GP. If A1, A2, A3 and so on are in GP, then first one, then A1 into K, A2 into K, A3 into K and so on are also in A1 into K, A2 into K, A3 into K and so on are also in GP. If A1, A2, A3 and so on are in GP, then A into K, A1 into K, A2 into K, A3 into K and so on are also in GP. Means for any GP, if you multiply any number, any non-zero number, any non-zero real number, K should be non-zero. K belongs to all real numbers except 0. Why? Because any term of the GP should not be 0. Just remember this point. Any term of the GP should not be 0. If any term of the GP any term of the sequence is 0, then it is not geometric progression. Geometric progression condition is no term of the GP is 0. No term. Any term should not be 0. Then only it is GP. So K should not be 0. Means all real numbers except 0. Next. A1 divided by K, A2 divided by K, A3 divided by K, and so on are also in GP. Again, K should be any non-zero real number. Suppose given sequence is GP, then if you multiply any non-zero number to the geometric progression, or if you divide any non-zero number to the geometric progression, then resulting sequence is also in GP. If you multiply any non-zero real number, then resulting sequence is also in GP. Suppose given sequence is GP, then if you multiply any non-zero number, if you multiply or divide any non-zero number to the GP, then resulting sequence is also GP. If A1, A2, A3 and so on are in GP, then A1 into K, A2 into K, A3 into K, A4 into K and so on are also in GP. Similarly, A1 by K, A2 by K, A3 by K and so on are also in GP. Next point, no term of the GP can be 0. No term of the GP can be 0. No term of the GP can be 0. Next, if A, B and C are in GP, then what is condition? If ABC are in GP, then what is condition? If A, B, C, three numbers are in GP, A, B, C are in GP, then middle term whole square equal to product of first term and last term. B square is equal to middle term whole square is equal to product of first term and last term. A, B and C are in GP, then B square equal to AC. Just by using definition of GP, we can prove this result. By using definition of GP, we can prove this result. ABC are in GP means common ratio is constant. Means B by A is same as B by A is common ratio. B by A is same as C by A. C by B. Then just cross multiplication, B square is equal to AC. If three numbers are in GP, then middle term whole square is equal to product of first term and last term. Our concept is common ratio is same. Common ratio same. B by A is same as C by B. On simplification, we get B square is equal to AC. If three numbers are in GP, three numbers A, B, C are in GP, then middle term whole square is equal to first term into last term, first term into third term, middle term whole square. This is one of the point. Next, just remember these 2 points. selection of 3 numbers and selection of 4 numbers in GP. How to select? Proper selection of the GP. Suppose sum of 3 numbers and product of 3 numbers is given, or sum of first 4 numbers, or sum of 4 numbers in GP and product of 4 numbers or any relation is given. Proper selection of GP. First one, three numbers in GP can be taken as A divided by R, comma A and A into R. This is just for easier simplification. Consider 3 numbers in GP as A by R, A, AR. This is not fixed rule. Just for easier simplification, take 3 numbers in GP as A by R, A by R, A, AR. And similarly, 4 numbers in GP. Four numbers in GP can be taken as A by R square four numbers in GP can be taken as AR cube, A by R cube. 3 numbers in GP, sorry, 4 numbers in GP is taken as A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. In this case, common ratio is R square. In this case, common ratio is R. 4 numbers in GP is taken as A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. 4 numbers. Selection of GP. It is just for easier simplification. Select the GP as A by R cube, comma A by R, AR cube. 3 numbers A by R, AR. Proper selection of the GP for easier simplification. Next, look at the problems. Find the fifth term of the GP. Find the fifth term of the GP 4, 12, 36 and so on. Find the fifth term of this GP. Find the fifth term of the GP 4, 12, 36 and so on. Just what is first term? It is small a 4 and define common ratio small r. What is small r? Small r is obtained by taking ratio of term and its previous term. You can take 12 divided by 4 or 36 divided by 12. Common ratio formula, term divided by its previous term. Term divided by its previous term, that is 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Then in this case we need to find fifth term, means T5, means n equal to 5. First write last term formula. Tn or nth term formula. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. In this case we need fifth term is T5. So take n value 5. then T5 is equal to, what is A value? A is 4 into, what is R value? 3, whole thing power n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, implies 4 into 3 power 4. 4 into, what is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is 81. 81 into 4, that is 324. 81 into 4, 324. Fifth term of this GP is 324. Fifth term of the GP. Next one, find the ninth term of the GP. Find the ninth term of the GP. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on. Find the ninth term of the GP. One of the geometric progression is given. In this case, what is small a? That is 1. And define common ratio R. What is common ratio small r? Term divided by its previous term. 1 by 2 divided by 1 is 1 by 2 only. You can take any two terms. Term divided by its previous term. Term divided by its previous term. Common ratio is 1 by 2. In this case, we need to find the ninth term, means take n value 9. Ninth term of this sequence. Apply Tn formula. What is nth term of the GP formula? Nth term Tn or An or L. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. After that we need ninth term, means replace n value 9, that is T9 equal to, what is A? A value 1 into, what is R value? That is 1 by 2. Whole thing power, that is n value. T9 means n value 9, 9 minus 1. It will be 1 divided by 2 power 8. That is 1 divided by 2 power 8 is 256. That is 1 divided by 256. Ninth term of this GP is 1 divided by 256. This is ninth term of this GP. Next. Next problem. Find the fourth term from the end of the GP. 3, 3 comma 6 comma 12 and so on. 3072. Find the fourth term from the end of this GP. Fourth term from the end, not from the beginning. Suppose they asked fourth term, then it is from the beginning. In this case, particularly given. Find the fourth term from the end, not from the beginning. From the end. In this case, what is A value? A equal to 3. And what is common ratio R? Common ratio R is equal to, term divided by its previous term. that is equal to 2, and in this case last term L is given, that is L is equal to 3072. Now apply the formula. We need fourth term from the end, means apply nth term from the end formula. Nth term from the end Tn equal to, nth term from the end is equal to L divided by R power n minus 1. This is formula for finding nth term from the end. Now Tn value already given, sorry, Tn is not given, L value is given, that is 3072, whole thing divided by, what is R? R is 2, whole thing power n minus 1. In this case, what is n value? Sorry, we need to find fourth term from the end, means n value 4. Nth term from the end means take n value 4. Fourth term from the end, then 3072 divided by 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? That is 16. Then after simplification, 3072 divided by 16. 3072 divided by 16. It gives 192. 192. Fourth term from the end, it is not from the beginning. This is fourth term from the end. Last term is 372, its previous term, its previous term, its previous term. Fourth term from the end is 192. Next problem, find the 20th and nth term of the GP. Find the 20th and nth. Find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. Means geometric progression of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. Find the 20th and nth terms of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. In this case, we need to find Tn value and T20 value. We need to find 20th term and nth term. Then, in this case, what is small a? That is 5 divided by 2. And what is small r? Small r is nothing but common ratio, term divided by its previous term. 5 divided by 4 divided by 5 by 2. That is equal to 1 divided by 2. Next, we need to find nth term and 20th term, or else first write 20th term. 20th term is equal to a into r power, nth term is a into r power n minus 1, 20th term is a into r power 20 minus 1. That is equal to a into r power 19. Now, what is a value? A is 5 by 2 into, what is r value? 1 divided by 2, whole thing power 19. After simplification, 5 divided by 2 power 1 into 2 power 19, because 5 by 2. That is equal to 5 divided by 2 power 20. It is 20th term. 20th term of this GP is 5 divided by 2 power 20. No need to simplify. If you want, you can just write 5 by 2 power 20. No need to simplify. No sir, I will simplify. Then you can. I will simply write 5 divided by 2 power 20. No need to simplify. Next, in this case we need nth term also, that is Tn value. Now, in that second problem, nth term Tn is equal to a into r power n minus 1. A value is 5 by 2 into r value 1 by 2 whole thing power n minus 1. Then 5 divided by 2 into 2 power n minus 1 whole thing power 1 divided by 2 whole thing power n minus 1 means 1 divided by 2 power n minus 1. After that 5 divided by 2 power n, because a power m into a power n form. This is our nth term. This is nth term of the GP and this is 20th term of the GP. Thank you.